Coffee, 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 coffee. Let's make some coffee. Hello, my name is Calista Sue. If you guys have never seen me before, welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys stick around. I'm trying to start out a new series on my channel where I'm just gonna show you guys all these super fun coffee recipes. Today's coffee recipe is so basic, so fun. It's just an iced caramel macchiato. I'm pretty sure we've all heard of it, and if you haven't heard of it, I'm sorry that you guys are missing out. They are amazing, and it's usually my go-to when I go to a coffee shop. It's usually just a caramel macchiato iced, and I'm so excited to be able to show you guys how to make it at home. Without further ado, let's just get to the ingredients that you're going to need. The first thing that you're going to need is obviously coffee. I just use locally roasted coffee beans like around my area. So this is from the Roman Goat Coffee Company. It's an espresso blend. Just because it is a locally roasted coffee brand, it is a little bit more expensive because you're paying for quality. The next thing is pretty obvious because it's literally in the name. You're going to need caramel sauce. This is kind of optional, but it makes it extra good, and I don't think it would be an iced caramel macchiato without it. The next thing you're going to need is your syrups. I'm using caramel and vanilla syrup. If you guys do not have this, that's okay. You can use vanilla extract as an alternative and just the caramel sauce you have here. But if you guys are going to be making your own coffees, I would totally recommend these. They're from Monin. I think I just got some on my shirt. They're from Monin, which I just got off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. And then next up is a coffee machine. I use this Breville Espresso. My cats are eating lunch. I'm going to be using this Breville espresso machine over here. It's so pricey, but it's so worth it. Like, I barely even go to coffee shops anymore. Well, that's a lie. I still go to coffee shops, but that's optional because I can just make everything here. It's amazing. But again, it's super pricey. So there's tons of other cheaper espresso machines, cheaper alternatives. Hold on, sorry, my camera died there for a second, but we're back. I don't even know what I was saying. Without further ado, let's get into the part that you guys are all waiting on. Let's make some coffee. You're going to need to coat the outside of your glass, well, the inside of the outside of the glass. Does that make sense? I don't know. You're going to need to put caramel drizzle along the cup of your coffee, and I just kind of spin it around as so, and it just makes it look pretty and taste delicious. You guys can add as much as you guys like. Then you're going to add in your ice. Obviously, that's kind of a given. We're making iced coffee here. You're gonna need some ice. Add in some milk. I'm just using whole milk today, but if you want to use oat milk, 2%, almond milk, it really doesn't matter. It's really up to you. This is the exciting part. I am brewing the espresso. Again, you guys can use any strongly brewed coffee. It's really customizable to you guys. And now that we have this gorgeous espresso, we are going to pour this into our cup. Give it a nice, good mix. And there you have it, an iced caramel macchiato. I got my iced coffee that I just made, and I'm gonna taste test it for you guys. I already tried it, and I know it's really good. I'm not kidding, guys. This is cafe quality iced coffee. Iced caramel macchiato. Amazing. Love it. We love it. We love to see it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. It really does help my channel grow.